What to do if the air leaking at trigger set? Prepare a hammer and a 3 mm cylindrical punch. First, use the cylindrical punch to knock out the trigger roll pin. Knock out the rolling pin at this valve again. After knocking it out, block the hole at the valve with your fingers. Connect the air pipe and use air pressure to flush the valve set out. Use a picking needle to remove the trigger cover set. Then replace the trigger cover set and valve set with a new one. Brush lubricant on the O-ring. Please note that there is a slot here when installing the valve. The slot should be aligned with the slots of the rolling pins. Press down balanced with 2 fingers. Use a needle to check if it is aligned with the hole position. Make sure it's easy to cross. Then knock the rolling pin back into the hole position. Before installing the trigger, knock in the rolling pin a little bit. Then use a needle to assist in locating the trigger. Just knock the rolling pin at the trigger back into its original position. After the repair is completed, we will install the nails. Check if the nailing is smooth.